it.
Yeah, straight. Short.
Yes, look. Ma'am, yeah.
This is really pretty though. निकाल दो ना एक
तो आ जाइए ये ऑफिसर थोड़ा रुपल ये सचिन थोड़ा साइड दे रहे रुपल ये टुगेदर ये थैंक यू
It's better that you say, yeah, you sell it. It's better that way. Semi-precious one.
These are
Thank you so much.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Ma'am. Yes.
Thank you.
Could you tell us about this whole, shopping festival canvas? How do you thought of that? It looks amazing.
Well, the thing is that when I'm also an exhibitor. I'm also an exhibitor, so at the same time when I used to participate. All right. So, what is the question? Oh, yeah. Okay. So the Canvas Summer Shopping Bazaar came up in my mind when I was participating in one of the exhibitions, and I thought that there's nothing during the summers that we have for the people to shop for anywhere. And a lot of people who don't go for a vacation, they need some sort of an activity. So this is how I came up with this idea of having a summer shopping bazaar. And as you can see, we have a lot of designers who've come in from all different cities of India, and they're exhibiting with us their garments, accessories, shoes, and even there's a tarot card reader who we have here. So I thought we should have some sort of an activity where, where people can come and how we have malls. So this is like a one-day mall in that sense.
One-day mall where they can have fun, shop, at the same time get their future sorted.
Yes.
They can come with their family, and the shopping actually is the best therapy. I mean, if you're going on vacation also, I think probably everybody's shopping.
I think it's a great stress buster for every woman, I believe.
Absolutely.
Apart from what you look into when you go for shopping,
Right.
during summertime, what's your idea of going to a shop or going to a mall? What do you look into?
Well, see, basically in India there is no weather as such. We have summer all around the year. So I think the kind of clothes that people, the brands and designers sell, a lot of people get a little diverted towards, getting something which is heavier in embroidery and stuff like that. So of course, when I go into a mall or into a bazaar like this, I look out for people who are selling something which is wearable. Something which I can wear on a day-to-day basis, and I don't have to think 10 times before wearing it whether it'll be, whether I'll be comfortable in it or not, and whether it'll be suitable for my outing or stuff like that. Yeah.
Who's your favorite fashion designer from the industry?
Well, I am a big Manish Malhotra fan. I think he's god of fashion. I mean, I just love him. I just love his work. Yeah.
Even we can see the response of people like Catherine Moya,
Yes, it's been really good. Yeah.
How's the response you're getting?
I think it's amazing. I believe I was expecting. I'm expecting a lot more crowd to come in.
It should not stop.
Yes.
It should just not stop. And also we were thinking, because if we actually made the fashion, the fashion access to everybody.
Available to every person.
Yes. So that is the whole reason that we were expecting a lot of people to come in to see, because these kind of designers are not easily available. Their stuff is not easily available. But only on our Canvas Bazaar, this was out there for the public so that they can see it.
I think I wanted to make Canvas a platform for even the new talent which is looking for this opportunity to go out there and showcase their stuff, and with the kind of the kind of expenses they have to bear for the entire day. I think this is a good platform, and I wanted to make Canvas just that.
Yeah, and we completely also believe in
Yes.
that fashion is should be available for everybody. Style, fashion. Now that India is actually growing so much, it's getting more globalized.
Yes.
Fashion, people are getting more fashion conscious. So we wanted to use our brand so that it is available and accessible to everybody in the world, at least wherever we could reach.
Please be in.
We have Kaval with us, who's also on board.
Hi.
He's one of the famous designers, and I have walked with him so much wore his clothes a lot of times. Yes, in fact.
What do you have to say about the bazaar?
How do you think? What is the
I think
response?
it's a great experience and I met a lot of new people
Yes,
and I'm enjoying myself.
great. That's
Anything?
I've emptied half my store.
Oh, wow. Okay, that's nice.
I mean, though it's a fashion, it's about fashion.
Right.
It's a festival, I would say. People come and shop over here. Whose idea is keeping a character also over here?
Well, actually, I would like to correct you here. It's a fashion and lifestyle bazaar. I don't have only garments. I have a lot of accessories, and I do have a tarot card reader, as you correctly pointed out. I wanted the visitors who don't want to shop, like mostly the husbands don't really shop. They're just using their credit cards for the wives, for them to have some sort of an activity while they're wives and daughters and whoever they're shopping, so they can have themselves stationed somewhere to do something rather than just waiting with the bags on.
It's too early to ask you, but what is the plan for the next year for this for the same?
Well, not the next year.
Do you plan to put on board Mr. Manish Malhotra somewhere down the line?
Well, I would love to have him someday
We will fill in
too.
soon.
if he's watching this and listening to and reading it or whatever, I would really like to tell him that I would like to have him on board the next time for sure.
Why not? His guru's here, so he's
Yes,
there.
Of course.
His guru's here, so he's going to be there. So,
But tell me, I mean, are you liking it? What is the whole experience all about?
it's so nice meeting a lot of new people and it's a nice experience. It's one-to-one.
And also, we were telling them that how it is accessible for designers like you. Your style, your statements are so accessible for people. I mean, this was our motive, that people like him should be reachable to the audience. And I think, have we reached to that point?
Yeah, I
Have we
think a lot
touched
of
it?
people, yeah, much
What's
more.
What's your fashion mantra?
My fashion mantra is just be comfortable in what you wear. Just do not wear anything just because it's in fashion. Wear something that you're most comfortable in and that you would like to move about in confidently, rather than being conscious about what you're wearing and constantly checking on that.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank
guys.
you.
बिल्कुल
पागल होगी कमी नहीं नहीं होने लगा तुम आया था
Check, yeah, you must be having this plan. Oh, pick up that. That's too tight and hurting. I can't try. It's what exactly we need not take the video.
Yes, yeah. Problem है क्या? Look here देखिए. Ready है क्या? हाँ? Ma'am are here. Ma'am here.
Look here, everybody look here.
On the left. Ma'am here.
Sorry.
तो इसको संभाल के रखिए
मेरा पिक्चर पे तू भी आ जा तू भी आ जा Now you both have to get an
ऐसे कैसा
Sir, yes, sir.
अरे मैं लेफ्ट प्रोफाइल दे रहा हूँ यार।
वेरी फर्स्ट काउंटर
Solo.
Sir, look here.
यहाँ देखो यहाँ देखो।
Either. Start from here.
ठीक है बस बस चल।
Turn, sir.